So wonderful. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to our Forex Morning Call. The last trading day for this week and the second one in a lovely new month. It's September. It's Friday and it's the 2nd of September. I'm really happy to have you here in my private show, Forex Morning Call, the successor of the morning briefing show from Admirals. I do my own show now, independent from any broker. And I'm really happy for every single one who joined my Forex Morning Call here every morning. You know, my private opinion in the first place, we are not traders. We are human beings. And therefore, you know, every session I finish with the call or with the words, have courage and be kind. Have courage is important because you have to be brave, you have to be courage if you are a trader, because trading is completely against your human being nature, because we have to, remodeling our mind to become successful in trading. And so why I used to say to be kind every day is because I work with karmic principles, because everything what you plant will ripen up at any time. So everything comes back to you if you want or if you don't want. No one cares, but it will come back to you. So if you want that people are kind to you, you have to plant the seed first. So therefore, be kind every time and overall. That's the most important thing you can do. So let me say good morning here on Traders Yard and here on YouTube also. Marius, good morning. Greetings. I had my espresso this morning already. So Tomasz, good morning. Alexandro, good morning. And here, Johan, good morning. On Mihai also. I love to see you here. Okay. Non-farm payrolls today. We will see what we can do. But before we start, we have to see the risk disclosure. Trading with stocks and financial assets like Forex also can expose your capital. Yanis, good morning. To substantial risks, possibly even beyond the capital you have invested. Trading is not suitable for everyone. Investment successes as well as profits from the past do not guarantee success in the future. Please be aware, I'm a German guy, especially I'm a Bavarian guy. So I speak English since 5 years now. You know, I do this for my international audience because I want to share the path of logic to all people around this world. So I hope you understand that sometimes I don't have the right grammar, sometimes I have wrong words. So make it better if you can. Or give me a hint if I'm wrong. So I hope you have mercy with me. Okay, so what do we expect today? Non-farm payrolls, 2:30 German time this afternoon. The previous one, 428K. The expectations are 300K. Let's see if you get a kind of surprise or not. Boris, good morning. Nice to have you here. Okay, so let's come to trading. And first of all, we see where we are. First of all, always, we start with DAX for the day traders among us, for DAX 15 minutes. So where we are, we came back after we saw this double low at 12,623. We came back into the red zone, which means it's a kind of fair price. The point of control has not switched yet, which means we are still here at 12,927 euros by one future contract. And we're still circling around this red zone. So what's about the trend? In trend, you see, you could make money with the short entry we talked about yesterday already. And you were able to trail the stop loss to the last 0.3, which was here, and here you got out last night. That was enough to make a beautiful trade for the lower side. So now on the right side, we see there's showing up a new uptrend. There was kind of first options. Now the price is coming back again. So just wait if you see the next balance candle, and then you can make a re-entry index. But be careful. To be honest, I wouldn't do so today because we expect the non-farm payrolls, and I guess it's like in Germany we say today it's like the rabbit in front of the snake. Yeah, it's completely shocked right now and do nothing, just focus on the numbers today. So I guess the market will be kind of calm today. So I would say let the numbers passing by this afternoon, and then the first reaction when the market in the USA will open at 3:30, and then let the craziness passing away, and then come back to the market. And if you need to trade here on Friday, on a non-farm payrolls Friday, that's a completely other question. Okay, so that's DAX 15 minutes. Let's have a look at the higher time frames, especially fits this to part-time traders. If you have a normal job, you get your money from, then 4-hourly chart is really cool. And here you see how the market is working, or how trend following is working. Really, really cool. So the perfect entry, was here in the second trend arm. So let me see, where is my drawing program? Here we go. So let's see, here you see perfect entry, trend arm number 2. Yeah, here was the chance to take the money, re-entry here, or especially in trend arm number 4, also re-entry. And you see, we have trend arm number 5, we have a new close. So you see, that's trend following. It's a simple strategy, but it's so hard to do so. Why? Because we are human beings. We literally hate it to not control the things. And the point in trading is you can control nothing. Or I used to say to my students, you can do nothing that the trade is going in that direction you want to have it. So the point is you can do nothing. You can just sit on your hands and can pray to the Lord, maybe, or whatever there is around. Yeah, and you can pray that everything is going well for you. Or, in my opinion, that's the better solution. You trust the logic and you trust the system. Yeah. And so, and therefore, it's always the best opportunity to catch the second trend arm. And now you have the chance, look, you can trail the stop loss here to the last 0.3, which means this is your money you have safe. That's cool, right? So can we know how many trend arms this trend will create now? No, we don't. It's just the right side of the chart. We don't have a crystal ball. And this is what trend followers do. They give the responsibility to the market and say, okay, I made my entry. I stuck to the rules. I did my job. And now, lovely market, now it's time that you make your job. So, and what's your job right now? Nothing. Do nothing. And this doing nothing is for traders, especially unexperienced traders, the worst thing ever. Yeah, to do nothing, because we always want to have the best result. But this is what you have to train and what you have to learn. That's the best thing what you can ever do. But this needs time, okay? So maybe Monday or Tuesday, a good entry in S&P 500 in daily. Cayetano, good morning. Ariel, good morning. Nice to have you here. So what's about the Dow Jones? Yeah, my trade is still running because I decided to just let it go. Yeah, I have my entry in the trend of number 3. Second one I missed, unfortunately. I trailed my stop loss in profit, so I cannot lose money. And this is pure freedom. That's pure liberation. Yeah, you cannot lose money. So let the market decide. Because if the price is going up and get me out, and the trend will not break, what's my job? To make a re-entry. And if the price is going down, then I'm happy. By the way, happiness in your heart is the purpose of your life, of your existence. And once, it's a couple of years ago, my teacher, my spiritual mentor, asked me this one question: what's your POE? And I asked him, what the heck is POE? And he said, did you know what, you don't know what's POE? No, I said, I don't know. So the purpose of existence. So the question is, what's your POE? What's your purpose of existence? So are you just here on this planet Earth to, kidding other people, or to do senseless things, or to, yelling at your girlfriend or your wife, or to fight with your people, or to fight with your wife, or with a girlfriend, or with your husband? Is that your job on this planet Earth? Or to do any job for other people and to be unhappy all day? Is this their purpose of existence? I highly doubt it, that this is your purpose of existence. So, and here comes the next question. What is it in real, what you really want in this life? And there's an interesting psychology part. You know why people, most of the people, are having so much fun and always a loud sound from outside, loud sound from outside. You cannot hear your inner voice. If it's silent from outside, no distractions, just really silent out from outside, then you hear your inner voice. And your inner voice, believe me, she is there. Your inner voice, it's there. And if you listen, then it's really, really clear. And your inner voice is ask you every damn it fucking day, what is it, what you really, really want in your life? And there's always this question mark. What you do right now, where are you right now? The relationship you are right now in, the job you are right now in. Is that really what you want? Do you want to do this for the rest of your life? Do you really want to stuck in a relationship you are unhappy? Oh, this is valid for both sides, by the way, okay? This is really, no, believe me, I know what I'm talking about. So think about it. So if you are unhappy with your results in trading, then you have to listen to your inner voice. And your inner voice will asking you, is this the right way? Do you want to do this for the rest of your life? To looking for an illusion, to running after a dream you will never will fulfill? Is this what you really want? I highly doubt it, again. So maybe you should cut off the extremely loud sounds from outside, whatever there is, news, people. Oh, by the way, let me tell you this one. If people come to me and want to tell me some stupid things, really stupid things, and most of the people are really, they don't want to have any advice. They just want to talk the bullshit into your ears. Yeah. And I have a special sentence. I tell people, they come to me with yelling and complaining about the bad world and everything is so bad at the moment and the bullshit government and something like this. And then I say, okay, I'm sorry, but I'm not available for this talk. And then the people look at me and say, what? What do you mean? And then I say exactly what I said. I'm not available for this talk. Bam. Over and out. You have to protect your mind, ladies and gentlemen. You have to protect, especially as a trader. You cannot afford to have bad thoughts in your mind because trading is damn it exhausting and it's a fucking challenge. You don't need people around you that talking bad things into your ears, because in your mind, you have some mirror neurons. Exactly, mirror neurons. Exactly, that's the right word. So you mirror everything, what you see and what you hear. Your mind is built up in this way. You have some mirror neurons in your mind, and what you see and what you hear, your mind is mirroring that. And your mind is doing exactly the same. You can do nothing against this. That's how your mind is working. So if you watch stupid videos, if you watch stupid whatever movies, whatever there is around, or if you have people around you that talking all day long bullshit in your eyes, what do you think your mind is doing? Hush puppies, cats, huh? Lovely things? No, it's just a question of time. You will think and say exactly the same. So show me the 5 people you spend the most time with, and they tell you what kind of people you are. That's the point. And you cannot do this as a trader. As a trader, you are really an extraordinary person. People don't understand what you do there. Try to tell this someone who is not involved in business, in trading business. Try to tell you something. Okay, I stuck to my rules, but I lost money. Everybody will tell you, are you crazy? Are you really crazy? What are you doing there? You cannot explain trading business to people they are not involved in this business. Believe me, try it. Try it. People say you are a gambler. Yeah, you will never become successful. Everything is gambling. That's all criminals. That's corruption and the stocks and in trading. People do so, and people are talking in this way. So, and if you have people around you that are talking to you in this way, how you will become successful. So now you know why I don't have friends. Okay, of course I have friends, just 1 or 2 friends, or maybe 3 or 5. But they are living far away from me. We have just contact 1 or 2 times a year, and I have my DowHow family. I have my DowHow 100 person now. I have 100 students actually in my DowHow family, and those people are extraordinary persons, women and men. And we are all on the same stage. And that's the right people you want to have around you. Yeah. So just a little bit around, okay, just for you. So Bitcoin in 4-hourly chart, actually still in a downtrend. I just waiting in daily chart for my re-entry of a possible entry. There are balance candles. I have my entry stop buy order on the way up. Gold, trend of number 3. I hope you made your entry, because the perfect entry was here in this stage. And you see, oh my gosh, lovely. So, and now you can trail a stop into the profit. Yeah, maybe, or you can take money here. Everything is fine. That's wonderful trend following again. Euro dollar, downtrend number 2, uptrend number 2. So you have to be prepared for both sides, and we do so also right now. That means we make an entry here on the upper side, stop buy order, and if the price will turn around, then we have to make a short stop sell order on the other side. Pound dollar, you see, trend on number 5. Is that cool? Yeah, I think it's fucking cool. That's trend following. It's not that complicated. Yeah, it's challenging, but it's not complicated. If you, for example, if you learn about the online course, the logic in trading, then you know what you have to do. Exactly. If you have the perfect people around you, then you are happy. I've learned to ignore people who make me unhappy. Yeah, be friendly, be kind to people. just to say, when people come to me and want to complain something or something like this, then I say, okay, I have a number for you, because I don't have time right now, but I have a number. It's 0800 330 330. That's the hotline from the church. Okay, they get money for this. So tell the people and complain there, but not in my ears, because I have to be happy and I have to be a trader. So call that number 0800 330 330. That's the hotline from the church. They are talking to you. So please call those people. Try this next time again. Believe me, try it. Give the people this number. They looking at you and say, what? I say, I'm not available for this talk, so call this number. It's really cool. Try it. Yeah. Okay, you will have less friends then. But that's not friends. Yeah. But you don't need people. Something like this. Try it again. Okay. Be happy if you have a good wife around you, that you can work together. You don't need people around you that are talking bad in your ear. Okay. So what's running trades right now? So still Aussie Canadian dollar. Maybe today there will show up a trend candle. That means this night I will trail my stop loss, but not yet. Euro pound, lovely profit, really lovely profit. Euro JPY also in profit, stop loss in profit, everything is fine. Euro Kiwi coming into the profit. Yeah, but let's see. It's hard that the price is going up. You know what? Let's trail the stop loss into the profit and let's make a re-entry. If the price is not working, yeah, and it's coming down, it's fine. No matter, don't be worried. We can make a re-entry. It's still trend on number 2. Pound JPY, yeah. We trailed the hard stop to cut a possible loss. Today we have rising prices in pound. Let's see. Pound Kiwi. We try to short here, go short. There is no trend candle against my position. Actually, nothing to do. Kiwi Cat. Yeah, okay. There is a trend candle maybe today. That means today we trail the stop this evening, yeah, or in your evening, wherever you are around. Kiwi JPY still circling around the entry, and dollar CAD really cool in profit. Yeah, really cool in profit. Just let it go for the moment. On the watch list, S&P 500, trend on number 3. Let's see if they will show up next week, a balance candle, then we can talk about a new entry for a possible long. The same is valid for NASDAQ, by the way. Aussie Swiss, I have my pending order here in case the price is going down. Aussie JPY also still the pending order. CAD Swiss still there for that the price is going down. Dollar Swiss, yeah, we're waiting for a balance candle. Actually, it looks like that the long trend will continue. Yeah, this is cool trend following. Look, since last year. Oh, no. Yeah, last year. Trend on number 2. Check it out. That's trend following. Yeah, and yeah, that's all for the moment, guys. That's all for the moment. Nothing to do. So I would say that was a cool week, right? We expect a non-farm payrolls today. I would say that was really, really a cool week, an exhausting week, and I hope, yeah, you had a great week also. I want to say thank you for listening, and I want to share this with you. Make a proper education. A free webinar will never replace a course or a personal coaching, whatever there's around. And you know, my education is like a pyramid. Yeah, first. No, that's not. First of all, online course, then 1 year in my DowHow community. And if you come to the DowHow community, I give you 4 coaching, private coaching lessons for free. Yeah, during that year, because I want to make safe that you are really successful after 1 year. So, and if you compare it to the money and the time you spend in the meantime to the market, I'm quite sure it's much more money than an education will cost. I wish you a lovely Friday. It's a sunny Friday today. Enjoy it with happiness in your heart. And by the way, you have it in your own hands if you're happy or not. Your question, your thoughts are the beginning of your actions. So have a beautiful day with the people around of you. Think about what I told you today. And as always, have courage and be kind. And may the force of the logic be with you. See you on Monday.